Hey bro, it's me Cohen, so I'm back with a new video for tonight. I got my stuff early for Easter. As you can see, I got a Kit Kat bar and some Kinder eggs and some mini Aggies. And I also got 20 bucks to spend on whatever I want. So today we're going to be unboxing this Bart figurine. So let's get it open. This was like my big present for me for Easter. As you can see, here's the back of the box, and here's all the different characters you can get. Get Barney, Bumblebee Man, Carl, and Bart. That's the one that I got. I really wanted Barney last time. I believe last week, my nanny took me to Walmart to meet up with my Aunt Sarah when she was going Easter shopping, and we saw this exact same one, but I think somebody took it already, so I had to choose Bart. Alright, I got him open. The box open. Alright, I got him open. So he comes in this really cool skateboard. And this is him. And would you look at that, skateboard Bart. Now I have this to add to my collection. I'll even show you some of the other ones I have that I think I already showed you guys in previous videos. I have Mr. Burns beside Bart. And I got the skateboard Bart. And I have this other, it's a rubber Bart. And I have Snail Lisa, it's a Funko Pop. And this plush Bart. I have two. Anyways, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like my unboxing videos, Simpsons toys, and subscribe to Cohen McCann. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.